Unboxing time. Everybody loves a good unboxing video, right? Because I sure do. Let's unbox this little package from me to me. Let's get right into it, shall we? Hello everybody, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I came across a video on my WhatsApp status. A friend of mine was unboxing some items she got from Naija Foodies, and I thought to myself, what better time than now to try out that product. So I placed an order. They were also having the anniversary sales, and I got, I think, 20% off. So yes, I got myself some Atasu and some Jollof, what would I call it? I think it's like a blend. Make use of it for jollof rice, and then the Atasu, it's like I'm just looking for the right words to describe this. You can make use of it for your fried plantains, for your grilled fish. You know, it's just like a sauce you can use on the side, your roasted potatoes. Like, guys, I can't wait to try this out and give my review. I'm just so excited to get this product, and trust me, I'll be carrying you guys along. I'll probably make some jollof rice and then maybe some grilled tilapia or catfish, but we'll see about it. I'm just so excited, guys. Would you be ordering yours? Or if you've ordered this, let me know what you think about the sauce. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.